5 easy exercises to transform your body in 15 minutes at home. Number 1 exercise is squats. Squats increase lower body and core strength as well as flexibility in your lower back and hips. Basically, this exercise engages some of the largest muscles in the body. They also pack a major punch in terms of calories burned. Basically, the squat is a lower body exercise. You can do this exercise without added resistance. You know that the squat exercise mainly targets the thigh. However, core strength and stability, ankle mobility, back muscles, curves, and other factors play an important role when you are doing this exercise. Number 2 exercise is push-ups. Push-ups are one of the most basic effective bodyweight moves you can perform because of the number of muscles that are recruited to perform them. Your core should be tight, shoulders pulled down and back, and your neck neutral. Just bend your elbows and begin to lower your body down the floor. When you realize that your chest raises, extend your elbows and return to start. Keep focus on your elbows close to your body during the movement. Number 3 exercise is burpee. Burpee could be a great exercise. It combines movements that may help strengthen your upper body. This exercise helps your leg feature a cardio element. One of the best things about this exercise is that it combines plenty of exercise areas that are wrapped into one. Number 4 exercise is sit-ups. Sit-ups are multi-muscle exercise. We know that muscle cells are more metabolically active than fat cells. This means that they burn calories even at rest. If you want to build muscle, sit-ups will help you burn more calories in the long run. This exercise also strong core muscles. Good posture can improve the appearance without weight loss. The sit-up is an abdominal endurance training exercise to strengthen and tone abdominal muscles. This exercise is similar to crunch, but sit-ups have a fuller range of motion and condition additional. Number 5 exercise is plank. The plank is an excellent abdominal and core exercise. This exercise not only works the rectus abdominis but also the other ab muscles and the core muscles that run from the pelvis along the spine and up to the shoulder girdle. To ensure you will keep your core strong and stable, add the plank to your ab workout program. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon button for more videos. Thank you very much.